Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Saad School. How are you? Hope so you will be fine. We have learned about writing patterns. We have 8 writing patterns: standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, lower curve, upper curve, right C curve, left C curve, and circle. Today we will learn how to write C with the help of writing pattern right C curve.
C is a semicircle. C लिखने की प्रैक्टिस हम इस तरह से करेंगे। सर्कल का 1/4 पार्ट सेपरेट करने के बाद जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट हमारा होगा C, ये सेमीसर्कल। C सेमीसर्कल। सबसे पहले हम डॉटेड लाइन के ऊपर C लिखने की प्रैक्टिस करेंगे और उसके बाद सेकंड स्टेप पर हम कोशिश करेंगे कि सिंगल डॉट पर हम C लिखना अच्छी तरह से आ जाए।
For write D, we need 2 patterns, circle and standing line. First we draw anti-clockwise circle, start from the dot, go round and stop. Start from the dot, go down and stop. Circle and standing line. When these two patterns are joined, it will make D. Start from the dot, go round and stop. Start from the dot, go down and stop.
We have a worksheet for practice D, circle and standing line. First, we draw D on dotted line. On second step, we draw few dots, and on third step, we draw D on single dot. Hope so you have learned very well how to write D, write C. Inshallah, we will meet with next effective lesson. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.